In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM to WordPress. We'll walk through connecting your WordPress.com site to Zoho CRM using the official plugin right from your WordPress dashboard. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin access, and note that plugin installation on WordPress.com requires a plan that supports plugins. If you don't see the plugins menu later, that's usually the reason. Start by going to WordPress.com and opening your site's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you've selected the correct one. From the left-hand menu, look for plugins. This is where you discover, install, and manage tools that add functionality to your site. Click Plugins to open the plugin directory for your site. In the search bar at the top, type Zoho CRM. You're looking for the official integration published by Zoho, commonly labeled as Zoho CRM Forms or similar. Verifying the publisher is important because it ensures you're installing the trusted, supported connector rather than a third-party alternative. Take a moment to confirm the details. The description should mention capturing leads and sending them to your CRM, and the listing should show recent updates and compatibility with your version of WordPress. Click the result from Zoho to open its details page. Here you can quickly scan the overview to confirm it meets your needs. Typically, it integrates your forms so new submissions can be routed directly into Zoho CRM as leads or contacts. This page is also a good place to check screenshots and read a short summary of how it works on WordPress.com. When you're ready, click Upgrade and Activate. On WordPress.com, this button handles everything end-to-end. If your site needs a qualifying plan, you'll be guided through an upgrade. Once that's handled, WordPress will automatically install the plugin and activate it for you. Stay on the page until you see confirmation that the plugin is active. After activation, you should see it listed as active on your plugin's screen. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh your browser and check again. That's the core connection on the WordPress side complete. The official Zoho plugin is now installed and activated, putting the integration framework in place so your site can work with Zoho CRM. From here, you'll be able to open the plugin inside your dashboard to review its options, access any built-in form tools, and proceed with your preferred setup. If you ever need to troubleshoot, start by confirming the plugin is active and up to date, and that your site plan supports plugins. Thanks for following along. With the Zoho CRM plugin active, you're ready to streamline lead capture directly from your WordPress.com site.